To fix a Frigidaire freezer not working, start by checking the power supply. Ensure the freezer is properly plugged in and the outlet is working. Check the circuit breaker or fuse box to see if the breaker has tripped or a fuse has blown. If the issue persists, check the temperature setting to ensure it is set correctly. The ideal temperature for a freezer is between 0 and 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, inspect the doors and seals for any signs of damage or wear. Make sure the doors are closing properly and the seals are tight. If the doors are not sealing correctly, warm air can enter the freezer, causing it to malfunction. Check for any blockages in the vents or drainage system, as these can prevent the freezer from working efficiently. If the freezer is not cooling, check the compressor and fan. If the compressor is not running, it may be faulty and need to be replaced. If the fan is not working, it may be blocked or faulty. Check the evaporator coils for any signs of frost or ice buildup. If the coils are blocked, the freezer will not be able to cool properly. To troubleshoot further, check the defrost timer and thermostat. If the defrost timer is faulty, it may not be allowing the freezer to cool properly. If the thermostat is faulty, it may not be reading the temperature correctly. Check the user manual for specific instructions on how to troubleshoot and repair your Frigidaire freezer model. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be best to call a professional appliance repair technician to diagnose and fix the problem. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the condenser coils and checking the door seals, can help prevent issues with your Frigidaire freezer. By following these steps, you can identify and potentially fix the issue with your Frigidaire freezer, saving you time and money in the long run.